Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So the calls for the batch of 2025-2027 with the Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad are out. So if we consider the selection criteria for the Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad, so Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad has set up the minimum CAT qualifying cutoff section wise and overall according to the category. Like for general category, it is 70 percentile in all the three sections and overall it is 80 percentile with your CAT entrance examination score. For NCOBC, it is 65 percentile in all the three sections and overall it is 75 percentile with your CAT entrance examination. For SC category, it is 60 percentile in all the three sections and 70 percentile overall with your CAT entrance examination score. For ST category, it is 50 percentile in all the three sections. Overall, it is 60, same as that of the PWD ST also. And if we consider it for the PWD candidates, it is 60 percentile in all the three sections and overall it is 70 percentile in your CAT entrance examination. So on the basis of this minimum CAT qualifying cutoff, the students are shortlisted for the personal interview and VAT round. So this is the stage 1. Now if we consider the stage 2 for the IIM Ahmedabad, so in that 50% weightage is given to your personal interview, then 10% weightage is given to your analytical writing test, 25% weightage is given to your CAT score and 15% weightage is given to your application rating. So after your personal interview and VAT, the composite score is calculated. So in that, the rating for the different things are calculated, like your class 10th, your class 12th, then your graduation, your work experience. So all these scores will have rating and on the basis of this composite score is calculated. So here if we consider the rating score for your class 10, so if your class 10 percentage are above 90 percentage, for that there are 10 points. If it ranges in between 80 to 90, for that there are 8 points. And in the similar way, if your percentage ranges in between this will be the rating score for your class 10. Now if we consider the rating score for class 12, then there is the rating according to your stream, like your science stream, commerce stream and arts stream. So if we consider it for the science and commerce stream, if your percentage are more than 90 percentage in your class 10, for that there are 10 points, and if it is above 85 for the arts stream, for that there are 10 points. In the similar way, you can calculate your rating score for the other percentage stream wise. So these are the rating score for your class 12. Now if we consider the rating score in graduation, so basically there are different categories like AC1, AC2, AC3 and AC5, then AC4, AC7 and AC6. So here you can refer AC1 is the medicine and surgery based subjects, for AC2 selected professional degrees, then for AC3 all commerce, economics, finance and management related degrees are over there. For AC4 all engineering, technology and architecture related areas. AC5 will be all arts, humanities related degrees, design education, fashion technology, law and rural studies. And AC6 is any other discipline not mentioned in AC1 to AC5. So here if we consider the rating score in your graduation, so like for example, if your graduation percentage are more than 70 for the AC1, for that there are 10 points. If it is more than 63 for AC2, for that there are 10 points. If it is more than 80 percentage for AC3 and AC5, for that there are 10 points. So in this way you can calculate your rating score for AC1, AC2, AC3 and AC5. Now if we consider it, if your graduation percentage are more than 85, for that there are 10 points for AC4 and AC7. If your graduation percentage are more than 75, for that there are 10 points for AC6. So in this way you can calculate it for the AC4, AC7 and AC6. Now if we consider the rating score for the work experience, so if your work experience is more than 36 months, for that there are 5 points. And if it ranges in between 12 to 36 months, you can use this formula multiplication factor into number of months of work experience minus 11 and you can calculate your rating score for the work experience. If your work experience is less than 12 months, for that there are 0 points. So this is about the selection criteria for the Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad. On the basis of these various factors, the composite score is calculated and then the finally selected list of candidates is done. Now if we consider the overall batch profile with the Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad, according to the recent final placement report, so overall there are 406 students. Out of that 25% candidates are the female candidates, 43% students are from the IITs, NITs and BITS, 21% have the academic background as CA, BCom and BBA. If we consider it in terms of the work experience, then there are 28% candidates are the freshers, 10% candidates have the work experience of less than 1 year, then 24% candidates have the work experience ranging in between 1 to 2 years, 19% candidates have the work experience ranging in between 2 to 3 years, and 19% candidates have the work experience of more than 3 years. If we consider, there are 31% candidates have the work experience in the education, technology and manufacturing, then 21% candidates have the work experience in ITES, then 16% candidates have the work experience in the BFSI domain, 13% from consulting and 19% candidates have the work experience of other than all of this domain. So this is all about the overall batch profile with the Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad. Now if we consider the final recent placement report for the IIM Ahmedabad, then overall there are 123 recruiters. The median CTC offered with the IIM Ahmedabad was 27 lakhs per annum. The average CTC was 31.02 lakhs per annum and the high CTC offered was 67.02 lakhs per annum. If we consider the mean CTC for the female candidates, it is 31.93 lakhs per annum. And if we consider there are top 5% candidates are with the average salary package of 62.04 lakhs per annum, then there are top 10% candidates are with the average salary package of 55.19 lakhs per annum, and top 20% candidates are with the average salary package of 48.85 lakhs per annum. And if we consider the top recruiters with the Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad, then those are Aditya Birla Group, Ambit Capital, SCL Technologies, Hindustan Petroleum, Mercedes-Benz, then Piramal Alternatives and then Z Entertainment. So these are the top recruiters with the Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad. So this is all about the Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad. If you have any doubts, any queries in this, you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video.